Country no right, but still, all man and all still survive. Time ito kasi mino concern lo country belum PNG. We got big concern. But how can me, as a simple citizen, address big issues like this? I have mandated leaders in the House of Parliament to represent me in such matters. But emi kama po sem displo leader mi makimol, they are voiceless. So, as my good governor of PCP has already said, you mean to take him active approach more or protest against government of the day. You must take him passive approach. Make him awareness law, plus community, society where you start from him. Get him all ready. The coming election, the 2027. Lo make him man. On time. Believe na trust to him. This la man by talk lo rights play you people lo behind. Time something come up good according to one man where I will lead him all inside lo government of the day. As a simple person here, Mr. Me responsible when I'm something more can really walk me him. Rubbish me walk him side the house. I bring me look him rubbish here, I'm come up in filthy here. So suppose me married, me must take him this responsibility. Suppose me no married, me it must responsible on make it. And one kind to him inside law. House parliament where you make him leader you inside, only representing you me this la. Kind of look. Suppose Prime Minister one time some told ministers, portfolio ministers will make him something we know straight. One time NEC approval or NEC look. Emosem, you miss Kelly Mosem Rabbi say you through my jet la ustab, you need lo clean him, minimum. You need lo mobilize one time like-minded leaders were only look something straight. Now, if you vote against him all kind of issues like amendment or bill or this kind of something. No lo boy me to yes that's all na.